Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to our session. So today we are going for the new chapter. So our chapter is nothing but motion and time. So motion, what do you mean by motion children? Moving from one place to the another place. That means maybe from school to home, from market to your home, from friend house or some other, we are going to move, is it? So moving from one place to another place, we can say it is the motion. But what about the trees children? What about the non-living things like desk, bench, this and all? They are having a motion? No. So if we are using the energy and if you are going to push it, it is going to take the motion position. Is it? Then what about the trees? When the wind blows, it is also having its motion position. Is it? Daily life we are seeing so many things like birds, animals, vehicles, people. Is it? Are they in rest position or motion position? Rest means wherever they are. Example, the table, the bench. If you keep there, tomorrow if you come and see also, it will be in the same position. That is the rest position. So, if you will be in the rest position and you will be in the motion position. For example, I can say that you and your friend. Now, the running competition is there. Is it? Yes. So, I'll say, ready, steady, get steady, run. 1, 2, 3. You are ready now to run. So, immediately I'll watch the time. Is it? Yes. So, how much time they are going to take to reach the goal? Any one of you or your friend, maybe you are going to reach it. That means here, both are at the same speed? No. Both can come first? No. At least a small second difference. One will be the first and next will be the last. Is it? Yes. So, this and all we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. Next, first of all, let me see what is motion. Motion of an object in which the object travels in a straight line and its velocity remains constant along that line as it covers the equal distances in equal intervals of time, irrespective of the duration of the time, whatever the time may be. So, motion of an object in which the object travels in a straight line, the object should be travels in the straight line and its velocity remains constant along that line as it covers the equal distances in the equal interval of time is known as its motion. Okay, now let me see what is speed. What is speed? The distance moved by an object in a unit time is called its speed. What is speed children? The distance moved by an object in a unit time is called its speed. The speed of an object is the distance travelled divided by the time taken to cover that distance. So, the speed of an object is the distance travelled divided by the time taken to cover the distance. So, SI unit of the speed is meter per second. How we have to write? Meter per second, or we can write it as meter per second. So, by writing form, you can write like that. By reading, you have to say meter per second. So, speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. So, we can write S is equal to D by T. S is equal to D by T. D means distance. How we can measure the distance? In meters. How we can measure the time? T in seconds. So, that's why meter per second. Meter per meter by second, or we can say it as meter per second. These are the units for speed. Okay. So in this speed, we are having the uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Let me see now. If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing in its motion, is said to be non-uniform. What is that? If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps on changing. So, if you move towards 1 kilometer some speed, after that slow, after that fast, that means it is going on changing in its motion. It's said to be non-uniform. An object moving along a straight line with a constant speed is said to be in uniform. So, these are the two types. One is the uniform and one is the non-uniform. So, have you understood whatever I have written on the blackboard? Carry on to your homework notebooks. Okay? So, let me end up this session. Let me meet tomorrow with a new topic. Okay, children? Thank you.
Suppose we observe the motion of a car and a cycle on the road. During the same time interval, the car is able to go much farther than the cycle. In other words, the speed of the car is more than the speed of the bicycle. Speed is the distance moved by a body in unit time. The unit time could be 1 second or 1 hour. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. If a body moves a distance d in time t, then speed equals distance divided by time, or S equals d by t. For example, if a car travels a distance of 75 kilometers in 2 hours at uniform speed, express its speed in kilometer per hour and meters per second. Time t equals 2 hours. Distance d equals 75 kilometers. Speed S equals d by t, which is 75 kilometers divided by 2 hours, which is 37.5 kilometers per hour. Speed in meters per second. Distance d equals 75 kilometers, which is 75 multiplied by 1000 meters. Time t equals 2 hours, which is 2 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 seconds. Speed S equals d by t, which is 75 multiplied by 1000 meters divided by 2 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 seconds. Therefore, the answer is 10.4 meters per second.